Good morning. My report is electrical transformer. Topic for final term. Transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is used to increase or decrease voltage levels in power systems, enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. Intended learning outcomes. Number 1. Understand the basic definition and operation of single-phase and three-phase motors, generators, and transformers. Number 2. Recognize the importance of these electrical machines in various applications. 3. Identify and differentiate between the various types of single-phase and three-phase motors, generators, and transformers. 4. Explain the specific characteristics and application of each type. Types of transformers. Function. His function is designed to handle three-phase power, either combining three single-phase transformers or using a single-phase unit. So his function, it is designed to work with three-phase power. It can build as one large unit or as a combination of three single-phase transformers. Application. Used in power generation, transmission, and distribution system to handle three-phase power. So it is used in power plants, transmission lines, and distribution networks where large amounts of power need to be moved. So his advantage is more efficient and cost effective for three-phase power, and for his disadvantage, it is more complex construction and higher initial costs compare single-phase transformer. Instrument transformers. Function. Used for measuring voltage and current in voltage system includes transformers, CTs, and potential or voltage transformers, PTs. So its function is they are used to measure high voltage and current safety. They include CTs, or it means current transformers, measure for current, and then PTs, it means for potential or voltage transformers, measuring voltage. So its application used in metering and protection system in power networks. So its application is used in meters to track electricity usage and in protection system to detect faults or problem in the power grid. And for advantages of this instrument transformer, it can provide safe and accurate measurement of high voltage and currents, and for its disadvantage, limited power handling capacity. And thank you, sir.